Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I do want to show you how you can crochet this kind of a mesh pattern with your raffia yarn and to have very straight lines. If you can see, here is the way how we traditionally do this mesh pattern, which is the pattern is one chain, one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet. So traditionally it starts with base chain, and then you start to do the pattern of one chain and one double crochet, and then you turn your way like this, and then you crochet that pattern on the other side, and normally it will look like this, which I don't think it's necessarily bad. It's just that some people do prefer to have this structure, and really this way actually it has really a lot of structure. So when I need to do this pattern, I do prefer to crochet this way. Let me show you really close how this looks like. So if you follow one of these lines here, the traditional way, you can see all the wobbling, and then if you see the one that I want to show you, let's go straight, and actually it is a straight line. So if you are looking to crochet this way and to have these straight lines, let me show you how to do that. Normally I would start with a cord base. I would not crochet chains, but sometimes you can do that. In my case, I would love to start with a cord base. So I use a lot this kind of cord and pull through, and then insert the hook like this. Then grab it with the fingers again and pull through. And this will give me a really strong foundation chain, and structured and really pretty. So I will do that to start with. Okay, so once I have the foundation chain, I am going to just pull one through both loops, one stitch like this, and I am going to start now the first row on this side. So since I have double crochets and I need to do this little square, so I'm going to start with 4 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I will turn my work like this. And then here I am going to yarn over 2 times, and I am going to skip the first stitch and insert the hook on the second base stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and I have 3 loops on the hook, and yarn over and pull all the 3 loops in through this last one. And I'm going to do 1 chain, yarn over twice. I know this is used mostly for treble crochet, but we're going to use for double crochet. It will give more structure. So I'm going to skip 1 stitch and insert in the second one and pull through 2 and pull through 3. So this is the pattern for the first row. So this is how the first row will look like. Now for the second row, I'm going to do 1 chain, turn my work, and I'm going to grab all the front loops with single crochet. So I'm going to skip the chain stitch that I just did, and this is my next stitch. So I'm going to insert the hook, grabbing only the front loop, and do a slip stitch. So I will do slip stitch through the front loop until the end. So here we are. I finished. I went back with slip stitch through the front loop, and now I'm going to turn and work this way, which is the same pattern that we did actually on the first row. So I'm going to do 4 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4, turn my work, yarn over twice, and then I am going to here find where I have this, you see these 2 loops together? So I am going to actually insert the hook right through on the side of this V. On the other side it will look like this, and yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. So now we have the 2 double crochets aligned, and then the pattern just continues the same. 1 chain stitch, yarn over twice, find that kind of V over here that is twisted all around this double crochet, and insert the hook on the side. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and 1 chain, and just continue like that. I hope this is easy to understand, so I will just do that to the end. And this is how it looks like. And then 1 chain, I'm gonna turn my work, and I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did. To go on the way back, I'm just going to insert the hook on the front loop and slip stitch. So I will skip the chain stitch and front loop of the next stitch and slip stitch, and I will just do that until the end. And then I will just turn my work, and again I will repeat the same pattern of this row, and then on the way back slip stitch through the front loop. So this is the pattern that will help you have those straight lines. I really hope that you like this way, and I really hope that this tutorial is helpful for you and will give you a way how to crochet those very structured raffia bags. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!